I'm trying to come up with a t-shirt design. Thanks, Petal is blessed. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel once again. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I looked at Petal is Blessed channel a week ago or a couple of weeks ago. She was making this lamp, and she had to break out the glam, and I thought to myself, oh, I love that. I have a lamp and it has the acrylic down here, so I decided I'm gonna break out the glam and put a little bit at the bottom, because I bought these finials to go on top and you can see the screw in it. So I took some rhinestone wrap and put it around it so you can't see the screw. Now that Petal has tempted me with the bling on her lamp, now I want a little bling at the bottom of mine, since I got some at the top already. We're just gonna go right around the edge of this lamp. It says self-adhesive, but I'm feeling this doesn't feel like it's enough glue on there, so I'm gonna put just a little bit more right here on the edge to make sure it holds. I'm gonna start at the back. Oh, there's the glue. You see that? Go right around the edge here. Thank you, Petal. I never even thought about to put some down at the bottom, but now that I'm putting it on here, I love this. Just ups it a notch. Y'all know I love my glass and acrylic. You know, it's amazing how you can take something like this and add it to an item, and it just makes it look more glamorous. I love the way that looks. And for those of you all who are already subscribed, you know I've just recently moved into my apartment. I am getting things unpacked and decorated. So if you want to see the full tour of my living room, because I'm working on some projects to go in my living room, you want to make sure that you are subscribed, so when I upload that video, you can see it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate each and every last one of you. You want to be nosy, you got to come back. Thank thank you all for watching this very short video. And you all have a blessed day.